Hi, my name is Saniya Shah. I'm currently pursuing BMS in my third year from Mithbai College. I enrolled in IMS in the Andheri SV Road branch about during Jan period actually, when I actually thought about doing my MBA that moment. After that, if you can talk about my scores in NMAT, currently it's 233. And over the period of time, as my prep strategy, as like I saw that CAT and MAT, ZAT, everything was coming closer, my strategy was basically to give as many mocks as I can so that I can get to know how well I'm performing in it or how bad I'm performing in them. After that, like the worst section that basically I can talk about is quants, which was one of my weakest spots like ever since. But because of the help of Nachiket sir, who was our maths mentor as well, through his help we could actually I could improve my score a lot over the mocks. IMS basically helped me a lot by providing my plan sessions and clearing doubts whenever we needed it, giving mock tests, your test series, benchmarking tests, sectional tests, your in generally faculties and everything, the in-class experience that we got. And over the period, like when I had initially started giving mocks, my scores weren't that good, and after a few my plan sessions as well, and getting to know what my weak spots are and working on them, I realized like how I could improve it, and eventually I did basically get a good enough score currently in NMAT as well. So I think IMS was basically a really good platform for me, and it was a really good experience for me overall. Thank you.